Hi everyone.
हाय एवरीवन। सो वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो, न्यू मूवी रिव्यू। धुरंधर मूवी जो आई है रिसेंटली, तो उसके बारे में जान लेते हैं। आपने देख लिया होगा अभी तक बहुत सारे रिव्यूज़, हम लोग थोड़ा सा अलग से करेंगे। मोस्टली पॉजिटिव्स नेगेटिव साइड के ऊपर हम लोग फोकस करेंगे। ओके, तो मूवी का हम लोग पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स। सो सबसे बड़ा पॉजिटिव पॉइंट मुझे लगा इस मूवी का कैस्टिंग। सो कैस्टिंग अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर्स को लिया है, एंड ऐसे एक्टर्स को लिया है जो परफेक्टली उस रोल को सूट करते हैं।
हाँ.
तो रणवीर सिंह लीजिए, या अर्जुन रामपाल, या फिर संजय दत्त, एंड अल्टीमेट अक्षय खन्ना।
Everyone is apt to the role of their character.
their characters, and they actually literally lived into their characters.
Yes.
So उतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग की है सबने, इंक्लूडिंग द हीरो रणवीर सिंह हम लोग जानते हैं कि अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा एक्टर है। तो रणवीर सिंह,
I did not even recognize Madhavan.
हाँ, I forgot.
He is really into the character.
Yeah.
I did not realize he is Madhavan.
माधवन से स्टार्ट होती है मूवी, एंड थोड़ा सा मैं आपको थोड़ा सा हाई लेवल पे बताता हूँ स्टोरी क्या है। स्टोरी इज बेस्ड ऑन ट्रू इवेंट्स। आई नॉट गो इन डिटेल्स, डोंट वरी। सो ट्रू इवेंट्स पे आधारित है। जैसे अटैक हुआ था पार्लियामेंट के ऊपर, बाद में बॉम्बे के अंदर जो हुआ था, मैं आई नॉट यूज़ दैट वर्ड बिकॉज यूट्यूब थोड़ा सा वो सेंसर कर देता है। एंड बाकी जो भी हैं इंसिडेंट जो हुए, रियल इंसिडेंट्स, उसके ऊपर आधारित है। एंड वन मोर थिंग एक्स्ट्रा वी गॉट टू सी इन दिस मूवी इज हाउ द पाकिस्तान पॉलिटिक्स एक्चुअली वर्क। तो वो एक्चुअली अभी तक किसी मूवी में उतना दिखाया नहीं। बाकी में क्या होता है, अपना एजेंट, उनके एजेंट दोस्त बन जाते हैं, दोनों मिला के सेव करते हैं, दोनों मिलके सेव करते हैं। ऐसा टाइप का स्टोरी बना है जो भी हमने देखा है अभी तक स्पाई यूनिवर्स। बट ये थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल उससे हटके है एक्चुअली। दे लिटरली शोड दी लूप होल्स, एक्चुअली लूप होल्स जो हैं, एंड लूप होल्स इन आवर सिस्टम as well as
their system
and how they are taking advantage of those loopholes. तो वो actually I should commend actually the director जो ऐसा बहुत ही different और very difficult and very dangerous और very risky point को लेके उन्होंने मूवी बनाई है। This is very risky movie, risky attempt done by director, and full points to the director actually. एंड हमने एक्टिंग की बात की, शी स्टार्टेड विद माधवन ना, माधवन से स्टार्ट होती है। एंड माधवन तो असल एक्चुअली मैंने बताया एक्चुअली ये वो माधवन है, लाइक तो शी वाज नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज।
I did not even think Madhavan will be in that kind of role.
एंड आई थिंक माधवन को कुछ मेकअप की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, विग लगाने की जरूरत। आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज ओरिजिनल और ऐसा ही है,
but he is really apt to the character. And even Ranveer Singh
also, like, I mean,
he really looked like a Afghan
person, like kind of
someone like Middle East kind of person.
Middle East, yeah, I mean, border of Afghanistan and Pakistan. That look, yeah, the beard,
the makeup, whatever.
Yeah,
it's really good.
Apted, I mean, perfectly apt for Ranveer Singh. And बाद में हमने जैसे बात किया संजय दत्त, he started with a bang actually. संजय दत्त का इंट्रोडक्शन तो it was very, I mean,
every time it will be a bang actually.
संजय दत्त जब भी आता है ऐसे ही होता है। And it was like more on comedy side. I thought his role is more on the comic side, but it becomes serious later on. And other actor Arjun Rampal, I mean, he was also looking very different actually. Arjun Rampal ka get up and all. So overall,
actually we must give a kudos to the makeup team actually.
Makeup team, yeah, definitely.
Whoever.
So that's about the acting. सबने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. And I think Akshay Khanna was the best in the movie. I mean, he actually overtook Ranveer Singh also at the time. He was, मैं villanism का तो अभी Akshay Khanna is doing a very great job actually. औरंगजेब का किया था छावा में, and this one is very villainous. I mean, देख के गुस्सा आ जाता है, ऐसा किया अक्षय खन्ना ने। तो he was looking a little positive side भी दिखा रहे थे, and but ultimately he is our enemy. So तो ऐसा ही दिखाया, तो which is great actually. तो दैट इज अबाउट एक्टिंग की बात हम जाते हैं डायलॉग्स। I mean, डायलॉग्स ऑल्सो आई नेवर से एनीथिंग ऑन डायलॉग्स किसी मूवी रिव्यू में। आई लाइक द डायलॉग्स। I mean, इसमें तो बहुत ही कमाल के डायलॉग्स हैं। I mean, इफ़ यू नो हिंदी वेरी वेल, I mean, वो तो और ही अच्छे लगेंगे आपको। एक बताता हूँ आपको, एक डायलॉग है कि अपने देश के भारत हिंदुस्तान के दुश्मन, पहला हिंदुस्तानी बाद पाकिस्तानी। तो विच वॉज एक्चुअली एप्ट है एक्चुअली। बहुत सारे डायलॉग्स हैं एक्चुअली, and there are censor dialogues also, they have not cut. अपने यहाँ पे हैदराबाद में I think it depends on the theater also, I think उन्होंने beep और they muted the dialogues because of the गालियाँ and all. तो गालियाँ को म्यूट किया है बहुत सारे जगहों की, बहुत सारी गालियाँ एक्चुअली मूवी में तो गालियाँ हैं। It is actually I don't know how censor allowed it to release in theaters, because these kind of movies generally come on OTT.
So I will go to the I mean, background music.
Yeah, background music.
Background music.
Super.
I literally loved all the songs
Song.
which played in the background.
And the good thing about the songs is, I mean, they have their original songs, but they also had remixed some of the old songs like
Yeah.
90s, 80s songs.
Those songs were played in the background.
And the beats added to that, and they did not destroy any of these songs. I mean, हवा हवा या जो भी गाने पॉपुलर सॉन्ग्स हैं, उन्होंने किसी भी गाने को डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं किया. And I think the main song, the romantic song is the best one between hero and heroine. So songs and background music were good. Music is good. And let's go to the heroine. I mean, if we didn't tell about the heroine, heroine का scope उतना नहीं था. She was looking like a kid actually, to be frank, in front of Ranveer. I mean, because 20 साल का role उसने किया, and Ranveer maybe he's in late 30s or maybe nearing 40. But I mean, as per the story, he was shown as he is a 30 plus guy. So
Yeah.
they said कि इन दोनों के बीच में age gap they have.
एज गैप बहुत ही ज्यादा है.
They actually, I mean, movie में बता दिया हमें, so we don't see that oddness. I mean, कि इन दोनों का pairing क्यों ऐसा है. So she did also, I mean, good. Not, I mean, जहाँ पे उसको
Yeah.
support करना था, रणवीर को support किया. So she also did good. So that's about the casting and the great acting, everything. अभी जाते हैं हम what other factors. The action. So the fighting and all, I mean, it was, I mean, she closed her eyes most of the times.
I cannot bear the violence.
Gore
actually.
violence जहाँ पे भी था. Some people were saying it's more gore than, I don't know if gore is right word. So it's more gore than Animal and other movies we have seen, right? But I think it is. I mean, the goreness, actually there is not many sequence of goreness, but जहाँ पे भी views you see that goreness, na, it's you have not seen something like that in the Indian movie actually.
Yeah,
it is more on
I
the
mean,
Hollywood kind
I
of
closed
side.
my eyes literally because I can't bear that scene of violence actually.
Yeah. So the violence is there, but it is not like it's a complete violence movie. There is drama, there is action, there is love
To
story.
be frank,
there's comedy.
maybe that is how the agents, secret agents or
Yeah,
intelligence,
that they have shown the reality.
they will have that kind of violence in their.
If उन्होंने
If
वही
they
किया
get caught, that's what happens.
That's what
And it
happened.
literally, this movie literally increased my
respect,
respect towards the intelligence
Yes.
department who is working anywhere.
Yeah, they are working 24 hours. I
Yeah.
mean, round the clock, and
And-
we can see. I mean, the pain. I mean,
Sometimes we will just say, how can
our intelligence allow. Yeah. So,
intelligence be such a failure and all?
yeah, but it is
And
not
if
that easy
we-
job,
if
man. It's
we,
not easy.
Yeah, if we look into it, how much, if they get caught, what will happen? They risk their lives every day.
Correct.
I mean, that really increased my respect towards the Intelligence Bureau of
Yeah.
India.
Yeah, it's. I mean, they have shown. That's what I mean. They have shown the raw movie. They have not added any glamour or any Bollywood item songs. And there is one item song, but it was actually, I mean, part of the story. But they have not shown something. They have not deviated from the story. Story जैसा रहना चाहिए था वैसा ही है. And yeah, story wise, I have already told you कि based on incidents. Now let's go to screenplay. So जैसे आप जानते हैं ये मूवी है 3.5 hours की मूवी है. 3.5 hours. Who wants to sit to 3.5 hours इन दिनों में? I mean, everyone wants speed and मूवी जल्दी जल्दी खत्म होनी चाहिए. But मूवी का first half itself was 2 hours. 2 hours यानी literally it's something like a movie itself in itself, right? तो 2 घंटे I was not bored at all कि 2 घंटे कैसे बीत गया I didn't notice.
Actually, I was the one like who goes to a violence movie. I don't want to watch it and all.
Yeah.
But I never skipped a beat in the first half of
First
the
half
movie.
was very engaging.
Really engaging and it's really gripping.
So first half was very, I mean, bang on, 5 out of 5. Second half started very well, but literally I saw the
There
slowness.
is a drag in between.
I'll tell you the reason उसमें drag क्यों है. Basically they wanted this not to be a one part movie. They wanted it to be multiple parts, maybe 2 parts or 3 parts, we don't know. इसलिए उन्होंने थोड़ा सा drag कर दिया वहाँ पे I am giving them minus points. This is the negative point. Because they shouldn't have
I mean, I personally think they can reduce it
reduced
bit
easily.
so that it will be maybe 15 minutes or so they can reduce.
Yeah, easily.
I think so.
Just like maybe, I mean, they may be planning it 2 parts, right? So if it goes like 3.5 and maybe the next part is 3 hours, it is like 6.5. Instead of 6.5, they would have made this in 4.5 hours. Easily, they would have made it. थोड़ा और gripping
See,
रहता.
we are not experts in
Yeah.
movie making or anything.
But we are
But
saying like, I mean,
as a viewer,
yeah,
it's our thought.
yeah, because one thing which people will not like to see is a very long movie, right? 3.5 hours ka long movie. People may not like it. I mean, some people may not want to see it. So there are multiple factors which is stopping maybe people not to watch this movie. एक है इसका length, दूसरा है इसका goreness. Like she was not ready to come, but I took her. I asked, yeah, let's go and see. So there could be like ladies generally. Of course, kids are not allowed. So ladies generally don't like these kind of movies.
Yeah, violence,
Right,
kind
violence,
of.
both violence,
It's not like violence.
but
I looked into maximum of them,
Yeah,
but there
but
are parts.
degree
where-
of violence
Huh.
is very, I mean, to the top in some of the scenes,
Yeah.
especially the first starting scene in the second half. That you might have seen in the trailer. ट्रेलर में भी देखा होगा आपने, अर्जुन रामपाल का एक सीन रहता है. सो वो सारा वायलेंस जहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं है, ये तो आई मीन ऊपर सबसे ऊपर है वो वायलेंस, एंड ऐसा है एक्चुअली. सो जस्ट टेलिंग यू, अगर आपको वायलेंस उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता, आई मीन इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट, maybe better not watch. I'll say that's a probably reason this film, if it fails, that would be the primary reason if it fails, because everything was bang on. I mean, the story and
I don't think that. I mean, see, just like me, there are many people who want to watch the movie
Yeah.
and they will close their eyes in particular scenes.
Yeah,
But I think it's a must watch.
it's
I
a
mean,
must watch actually. That
for
I'm not
me,
saying not,
it's a
don't watch it.
must watch actually.
So just bear those scenes. I mean, close your eyes like she did. Otherwise, I mean, it is a must watch for every Indian. Yeah, you have to watch it.
Actually, we will get to know how much they are doing.
For our country,
the intelligence people who are working non-stop for us, how much they are doing for us.
बहुत सारे सीन्स में तो हमारा खून इतना खोलता है कि, आई मीन, even though I mean I was enjoying actually, to be frank, I'm not a violent person, लेकिन I was enjoying when the way, I mean, they were, I mean, killing, I mean, our heroes and our people, our force and all, they were killing, right? I mean, so
See,
I was enjoying it actually, to be
Some
frank.
places they literally showed us the actual footages of the
Yeah, they've shown the footages also. Yeah,
the Taj Mahal incident and Taj Mahal hotel incident and
yeah,
all.
yeah. So that's what I mean. It's all real incidents only. I mean, they have, of course, it's not very real story, but they have added on top of that. They have made their own screenplay and showed it actually.
Yeah,
Because
they
I mean,
took parts of the real story and modified it a
yeah.
bit.
So they took it like 2001 से लेके till this time.
1997 से लेके
1997 से लेके 2001 का अटैक, पार्लियामेंट अटैक, और they showed it everything in current time, because they showed the modern side. Because Pakistan में malls and all you will not see now. I mean, at that time, na. So they have shown the
After
modern
watching
thing.
this movie, na, I realized how many attacks we suffered from 1997 to 2010.
2010 तक.
हाँ.
Yeah. They have shown even the 500 rupees का जो scam है.
हाँ.
So everything they have shown actually. Whatever Pakistan wanted to do, they have shown everything. So it's a must watch. Again, we are saying must watch. So I'll give 4 out of 5. We will close it. It's a long review. So I'll close 4
I
out of
will
5.
give you 3.75 to
Yeah.
4.
3.75. Yeah, I thought 3.75. Yeah, 3.75 to 4. 3.75 you can consider is our average rating. So must watch. Go and watch. Bye.
Bye.
And yeah, don't forget the mid credits. They are showing little bit of what they are going to see in the next part. So Dhurandhar 2 is coming in 2026 मार्च में आ रहा है, तो उसका थोड़ा सा उन्होंने झलक दिखाया है उस थोड़े से mid credit.
Actually, after this movie, I'm waiting for that movie, even though it has lot of
It will
violence.
definitely have more violence. They have shown
Yeah.
violence only in that mid credits. It is definitely going to have even lot more violence than what we saw in this movie. This movie, even though it's 3.5 hours, the violence maybe was just for 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that. But next part, if it is 3 hours, it would be 1.5 hours violence only.
And it has lot of comedy also.
Yeah.
So
The comedy
watch it.
and everything is there. That's what I said. इसमें सब कुछ है.
हाँ.
देख-
Watch it.
Watch it. Bye.
Bye.